holidays. Kasi yun, ano po ba? Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays sa lahat. Alam kong yung feeling na ang dami natin gustong regaluhan, di ba? I think perfect na perfect kung may clearance sale tayo. Kasi kahit ako nag-iisip na rin ako ng mga, ang dami kong mabitigin friends na mareregaluhan. So I'm also excited to go around. And kung may time kayo, I think mahaba-haba pa ang ating clearance sale, right? Until December 17, ayan, may time pa kayo to visit here sa Quezon City and to check out different styles that will suit your lifestyle.
And of course, we would like to ask, what genre from Verdalis Fair would you recommend to our girl bosses out there?
Of course, the Rabia line. Hindi lang dahil kumari natin si Rabia. And medyo, syempre nagkakaedad na tayo, medyo masakit yung lower back natin. Yung Rabia line kasi, ano siya, wala siyang platform. So, for me, as a career woman, mas nasa line na ako na mga ganun yung mga gusto kong suotin. Mas bagay na siya sa mas casual outfits that I wear for meetings and for just casual events that I attend. So, I suggest to check that out.
Yes, that's a very